Hello, this is Sandy from Seoul. Today, I'm going to show you our production lines of the power inverter, solar controller, and charger. Now you can see, after the motherboard is made by the SMT workshop, they will assemble, they will mounting here. After their mounting, we will have a machine for the welding. And then we will have a compensate welding here. And then you can see we will have a testing here for the whole main board. And then we start assembling from here. You can see we use all brand new materials, all made by ourselves. And then we will have a final check here. And this is the aging area. After the aging area, we will have the final packaging here. Last but not least, we have modern production lines for the power inverter, so we can handle mass production and accept OEM orders. If you are interested in any of them, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.